Hey there, today we're going to talk about the Sam and Cat cast and what they're doing after the show. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to say I'm only going to talk about Sam, Cat, Dyson, Goomer. I'm going to do a part 2 about the other characters. First of all, let's start with Cat Valentine. If you don't know her, you're not a Nickelodeon fan. Now about Cat, her real name is Ariana Grande. If you don't know her, where are you in this world? Anyway, Ariana is a huge pop star, like huge. Her songs are amazing. Her voice are like an angel singing. Now let's move on to Sam, whose real name is Jeanette McCurdy. Jeanette has vanished after Sam and Cat, but came back fresh as a daisy. She has her own one-woman show called I'm Glad My Mom Died, which is kind of sad if you think about it. Now, let's go Dice, whose real name is Cameron Ocasio. He's still an actor. You may notice him in these TV shows and films: Caught, Law and Order, Special Victims Unit, and Sinister. We finished 3 cast members. Now we're down to 1, which is Goomer. Goomer's real name is Zoran Korach. Zoran is still an actor, just not for Nickelodeon. You may see him in Weird City, Southland, and LA's Finest. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you all. Bye. You may notice that my voice is very low. That's because I'm filming this late at night. Like everybody's asleep right now. Anyways, I love you all. Bye.